Hi, today we are going to see demo for how to configure the Django project in web application. So first install the Django project softwares. Open the browser. First install the XAMPP control panel. Select the version 8.1. Then download. Click the download button. XAMPP is download. Click the yes. Then click the next button. Then set the path. Then click the next button. Next install the Visual Studio Code. I select the Windows, so click the Windows 10 and level. Now Visual Studio Code is downloaded. Next download the Python. Version is 3.10. Now you can see the download Python versions. Click the Windows installer 16 bits, 64 bits. Now Python also downloaded. Now download the Python version. First click the add Python path and select the second option, customize the installation. Then click the next button. Then click the install for all user. Here you can see the path and you can set the path. Now Python is installing. Now done the all software installation. So let's see how to start the project. First open the XAMPP control panel. First start the Apache and MySQL. Next click the MySQL admin. Now we can see the backend database. First create the database name. Then select the UTF-8 bin. Then click the create. Now database name is creator. Next import the MySQL database. Choose the file. Go to project folder. Then select the SQL file. Then import the data. Now MySQL data is imported successfully. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Next, go to the Visual Studio. Explore your project folder. Then you can see the project files. First, go to the README text file. Here you can see the how to run the project in step-by-step procedure and login details. First, open the terminal. First, install the requirement. So, copy the command. Then paste to the terminal. Now requirement is installed. Next, go to the Python manage Python run server command. Paste to the terminal. Now you can see the project URL link. Copy to paste the web browser. Now we can see the project homepage. So this is the Django configuration.